Okay, here's some examples. Whenever you're dividing, it means the same as putting it into a fraction. So this is the same as n to the 10th over n to the 2nd. And if you remember when we're dealing with exponents and division, I take these two exponents and I subtract. So I have 10 minus 2. And I have 10 minus 2, which is 8. So this is n to the 8th. And we had more of them on top than on the bottom. We have 10 n's on the top and 2 on the bottom. So it's like having just a 1 on the bottom. We don't have to write that. We're just finished. Okay? This next one here, we're going to have a negative exponent, but we do the same thing. We subtract 6 minus a negative 3. I'm going to write that out because we have the double minus here. We're subtracting because we're doing that division, but it's a negative already. And so that negative becomes a positive. And so we're going to really have 6 plus 3, which is 9. So we'll have m, and since this is a positive, it's going to be just m to the 9. Okay? Here we go. Let's do a couple more. Let's do this right here. We're going to have these, we're going to subtract again. Okay? Be real careful. Make sure you realize that you're subtracting a negative. So we're going to have 3 minus a negative 3. And so that becomes a plus. So I'm going to have a 6. So that'll be x to the 6th power. This time when I subtract these, I'm going to have 3 minus 4, which is a negative 1. This is the first time we've ever gotten a negative when we're done. Negative exponents go down in the denominator and stay and become positive. So we're going to have 1 over r to the 1. And let me go over that just again in a different way. Okay? I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff here. So we're going to do this again. We're going to make it go back to how we were explaining it earlier today. We have 3 r's on top and 4 on the bottom. Remember, if we had pairs, they can cancel out. And I'm left with 1 on the bottom, and there's that invisible 1 at the top. That's how I have 1 over r and to the 1. I showed you that a little bit ago, but this is another reason why. I don't really have to put that 1, though. Okay, so it's 1 over r. I hope this has helped.